Hey guys, so in this video we're going to see how we can integrate Zoho emails with HubSpot because while going through this integration I realized that there's no direct integration between HubSpot and Zoho. So there's a bit of a manual process which is involved, which you would need to do before you are able to integrate it with your Zoho email with HubSpot. So yeah, let's get started. So over here, the first thing which you would need to go is go into your HubSpot, and over here connect a personal email, connect your inbox, and over here I'll just type in the inbox which I want to sync. Done. Next. Yep. So like I mentioned, it can't verify the email provider, so you need to choose a provider, click on other email provider, continue, and this is where these are all the credentials and configuration which we would need to fill out before we sync the email with HubSpot. So to start off with, yeah, there is the email address which you would need to enter. I'll just enter the email address now. And for password, I will now go to my Zoho email. I will go to my profile. Yeah, my account. Go to security, because this is not the email ID which you use for your Zoho email login. You would need to create an application specific password. So over here, like you see, I am creating a application based password. I'll name it HubSpot Zoho. I would need to verify myself here. Just put in the credentials and confirm. So like you see, now we can generate. This is a 12-digit password which is now generated. I'll click copy and I'll just paste the password over here. Now if I move downwards, yeah, the username is obviously optional over here, so you won't touch it. For the IMAP and the SMTP settings, we will now go to our Zoho mail, and this time we'll click on the settings icon over here, and yep, go to mail accounts, go to IMAP. These are the configurations which we need to paste into HubSpot. Before that, a very important process is to enable the IMAP access, because that is how HubSpot will be able to read these credentials. And it's also very important to save it. Yeah, once you've saved it, the IMAP Pro and the SMTP Pro .zoho.in, yeah, these are the things which you would need to paste. We'll start off with IMAP. Yes, we've posted IMAP and then SMTP. Yep, and we'll just now put in all of the credentials and we'll continue. So over here, if you see, it is now setting up the email account, establishing connection. So once you see it started establishing connection, you can safely assume that it is going to successfully sync your Zoho mail with your HubSpot. And like we see, it's now connected. We see the green tick and no thanks. And like you see, the info HubSpot email ID has now been synced into a HubSpot. So this is the process. It's a bit of a manual effort over here because obviously there's no direct integration, and I hope that HubSpot brings it for Zoho Mail as well. But till then, this is the process, just a 5-minute process, and you would be good to go. Thank you.